tell you that, you know, to SAFA, thank you very much. And people are asking me, we don't only concentrate on big things, people are asking me, waar is die VAR? Where's waar? Ik heb het beloven. And I said the month of April. I've done it. The money is there. The effort went out. FIFA, Mr. Bailey will tell you, they don't want the department to do it. They want SAFA to do it. So, the 90 million is there. We went to Spain with the help of SuperSport again. We tested VAR. It works 100%. Now we're waiting for SAFA to announce the company together with DSEC that will win the tender to do VAR. So people stop asking me where's VAR. I have done what I promised to do. There's nothing more I can do. Die geld is die belangrikste. Ek het die geld uitgehaal. Die kennis is die belangrikste. SuperSport assisted us. So next season, there will be VAR. Let's give SAFA a chance to finalize. There will be VAR in our soccer in South Africa. Kan jy 'n bietjie hande klap?